Welcome to Pavithra CR YouTube channel. Today and the upcoming days we will be looking on to a series, a video lecture series on company law and corporate governance. In this series we will be looking on what is a company law, what is company law is actually, what is a company, what are the different frameworks that are framed to run a company, establish a company, to wind up a business, what is shares, what is stocks, what is debenture, what are the regulations that are followed in a company, what is an article of association, what is memorandum of association, what are the set of rules framed for a company, what is company act. So everything in this company law video lecture series in upcoming days. So firstly, in the first video lecture series, we will be looking on to an introduction of what is company law. First and foremost, what is a company? A company is derived from a Latin word. Before going on to all those definitions, in a common word, common assumption, what is a company? Company is a place where a group of people will be working together to attain a common goal or objective, isn't it? In that case, as per the definition, company is derived from Latin word companies, divided into two words, cum and pennies, whereas cum means together and pennies means food. So it is derived as together taking the meal. So company is the place where a group of people working under one roof to achieve the common goal or objective. So in this case, every company do have their own goals, objectives, missions, visions, etc. and etc. And it would have a set of frameworks, rules and regulations to attain those common goals. So in that case, our Indian constitutions have set a set of rules, regulations, framework for those companies to establish a company in India, and also a set of framework regarding how to run a company, what are the process and procedures to be taken regularly to run a company, how many directors should be in a company, how many shareholders should be there in a company, what are the rights of the shareholders, what are the rights of the directors, who are the liable person, what is the liability of the shareholders, what is the liability of the directors, and not only about the establishment or successful compliance of business, but it also explains the process and procedures if at all the company goes into a winding up stages, and what is the meeting process, protocols, procedures, everything that a company should follow in a company's law act. So it is a wider concept. As I said, company law is a wider concept that states about all legal rights, legal formalities, relationships and conduct of a person, companies or organization and business, and its formation and governance. So everything comes under one roof called company law. So company law comes under the Act Companies Act 1956, and now it have been modified to Companies Act 2013. And this Company Act as I said, it has set of rules, regulations, frameworks and conduct in it. So in the upcoming videos we will be discussing about what is the characteristics of company. If a company should be formed, what would be the characteristics of a company, what is a company, and further we will be discussing about who are the shareholders of the companies, who are the stockholders, who are the stakeholders of the company, difference between stockholder and stakeholder, debenture holders, who are the debenture holders, what is dividend, what is stock, and what is memorandum of association, what is article of association, how a meeting will be conducted in an organization, how many directors should be there in an organization, and what are the roles and responsibilities of those directors, what are the rights that the shareholders possess in the organization, and what is the meeting protocols, process, procedure, and everything about the company in upcoming videos, and also the laws, frameworks and regulations in the video lecture series. And see you all in the next video discussing about the characteristics of a company. Thank you.